Tell me when to go.
Go.
All right, the 7th grade is putting on a fundraiser dance.
Is that
Okay. All right, so the 7th grade is putting on a fundraiser dance. They paid $400 to rent a hall. So $400 to rent the hall or the venue or the place where they're having the party, okay? And they plan to sell tickets for $15 each. Okay, so it's a $15 ticket. They need to sell, how many tickets will they need to sell if they want to profit at least $1,495? They need $104,095, and that's in profit. And profit means the money you keep after you finish. So that means after they pay for the hall, they want to have $1,495 profit. Does that make sense?
yes?
All right, good. So, let's do the math. It's going to be an inequality because it doesn't say they have to sell a certain amount. We need to find out how many they have to sell, all right? They can sell more if they want to, right? But they have to sell a certain amount. So, I'm going to put a little river down the middle, and let's do this. So, they need 1,495, and they need to sell at least a certain amount so they can get that, at least. They can sell more, they can't sell less. So if it's more but not less, which inequality is it? Would it be less than? No, they can't go with less than. They have to do more than. Can they do greater than? Yeah, they can do greater than, right? But they could also make 1,495 and they'll be okay too. So it has to be greater than or equal to. So this is the inequality that we're going for. Greater than or equal to $1,495. So whatever thing we come up with has to be greater than $1,495. They're going to have a cost of $400, and they need to find out how many tickets. So we're going to say T for tickets, all right? So 400 plus $15 for the ticket. The amount of tickets has to be greater than or equal than $14.95. Well, the first thing we want to do is get rid of our cost for the rental, right? So the rental cost is $400. So we're going to spend or subtract $400. All right? Now we do it on one side, we have to do it on the other side. All right? So 400 minus 400 leaves you with 0. And on this side, 1,495 minus 400 will leave you with 1,095. So they need to sell a certain amount of tickets greater than or equal to 1,095. Now, 15T is really 15 times T. Now, these are our 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The opposite of addition is subtraction. The opposite of multiplication is division. Since that's 14T, to undo it, we have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. Because our 4 steps, we're going to distribute, and if we don't see parentheses, we don't have to distribute. We're going to combine like terms. Well, with this particular situation, we didn't have to combine like terms. So now we're down at undo, addition, or subtraction, and we just did that by subtracting the 400 on both sides. So now we have to undo with multiplication or division. The opposite of multiplication is division, so we're going to go with division. Okay, so we're going to divide 15 on both sides so we can get T by itself. So 10,095 divided by 15. This is going to be 1. 15 divided by 15 is going to be 1T. Now, the interesting thing about algebra is it's lazy. So if it's a 1 in front of a letter, in front of a variable, algebra won't write it. So we don't need to have that 1. So T is greater than or equal to 1,095 divided by 15. Pause. Want to go?
Go.
All right, so, hey, 1,095 divided by 15 is 73, which means we need to sell at least, okay, we need to sell at least 73 tickets. We can sell more, but we need to sell at least 73 tickets to make our profit want of 1,495. So, A, we need to write the inequality. So let's write the inequality. And we'll go with green. All right? So the inequality was 400 plus 15t is greater than or equal to 1,495. That's our inequality. Our solution. This is our solution. Okay? And now we need to graph it. So, we're going to put our number line, 0 in the middle, and we're going to put 73 here. And over here, we're going to put negative 73. All right? Just making it real simple. All right. So, looking at our inequality, our inequality tells us with this arrow that we need to shoot that way. So, T is greater than or equal to 73. It says shoot that way, right? That way, shoot that way. That's where arrow was pointing. So we're going to go to 73, and it says greater than or equal to. So if we look up on our cheat sheet, if it's greater than or equal to or lesser than or equal to, we have a solid line and a dark circle. So we're going to put a dark circle, and we're going to shade this way. And that's A, B, and C for problem number 3.
Yes.
All right, you can stop it.